we can easily add audios and videos inside Apple numbers. So let's see how we can do this thing. So this is my folder. Here I see there are a couple of images, audios, videos are there. I'll show you how to add the videos, and the audios input, it will be the same. So let's see how we can add this video over here. So this is perfectly a video. Let me show you. So see here the video is playing, right? So basically this is a video. I'm going to insert this inside that Apple numbers. So what we need to do, the easiest way, we can drag and drop it anywhere in this Apple numbers, and very shortly you will see it is going to import. It will take some time, and then it will be imported based on the image size, not the image size, based on the video size. So now let's resize it. So right now it is like this size. We can easily resize this like this way, and then we can put this video anywhere or based on our requirement. Suppose we want to insert this image in this portion, so I'm going to increase the size a little bit so that it will be looking nice like that. And now if we try to play it, we can click here, it will be played. See here everything is playing, and if we click the and if we click again, it will be pause. So that's it. In this way we can easily import or add the video files inside our Apple numbers. The audio import process will be the same, but I'm not going to show you because it's the same thing, that's why. So hopefully by watching this video you will be able to add videos inside Apple numbers.